little lambs. I'm back with the wet chicken. She is now done with her bath. She's done with her evil blow dryer. Ooh. Yes, I'm being squawked at. The only reason she was okay with me doing the blow dryer was sweet. A treat that I give her once in a blue moon. Now, she hates the blow dryer. She hates the sound, but once I get her all accustomed to it in the first 2 minutes, she's totally okay with it. Because she knows she's going to get some num-nums afterwards. She is not a happy bird. Look at her. She's all preening. She's mad at Mama. Why'd you do this, Mommy? Why? I was happy being a dirty bird. You're a good girl, Rosie. You're a good girl. Yes. Did you like your bath? Did you like your bath, Rosie? Did you like your bath? I don't think so. No. She's preening, so I'm going to give her some privacy. Well, and there you have it. That's how you give a chicken a bath. They will hate you for 10 minutes afterwards, but it's totally worth it. They're so soft and fluffy afterwards. Especially after you blow dry their feathers. They're so happy. They're just like, oh yeah, I got all that dirt and stuff out of my old feathers. I'm so happy. Thank you, Mommy. Yeah, she's gonna get you seed treat afterwards, alright? Give us a shake. Good girl. Say bye-bye, Rosie. Say bye-bye. She's ignoring me now. Well, there you have it. She, I feel bad. Anyways, that's how you bathe the chicken. See you later, my little lambs.